These are the components of all-in-two solar lamp. Connect the positive and negative cables of the solar panel. Fix the solar panel bracket and screw it right. Plug the LED cable and the solar panel cable to check if the lighting source will turn on properly. Bundle the cable onto the wire and get it through the arm. Fix the arm into the hoop and fasten it. Pass the panel cable through the pole and out through the armhole. Fix the solar panel into the light pole. Loose the arm screws. Connect the panel cable and the LED cable. Fix the arm to the pole. Fastening screws.